Rightio. You can probably see she's been raining flat strap all day. I've actually got off work because I only got flooded in. And Oscar and Mary's just given me a bell. So as long as it doesn't rain on the way over there, if it does, I'll hit a different spot. But I was going to go hit one of his spots. He doesn't actually have dogs or hunt, he's just got spots from back in the day that he can still get on. So yeah, we're going to see how we get on. It's pretty wet, but you never know. Hey Bailers, it's Diget, Pepper and Minty. Again, dogs. A little bit damp. Driveway's a bloody river still. But there's a gap in the rain. We'll go and see if we can find a boar getting washed down a river or something. Yeah, I seen that just take off. Hiding in the little friggin' back eddy, yeah. How big were them barra today? Like 50 or something?
Oh, that one I got, shit photo. It doesn't look big or it doesn't look small, but...
Yes. Hard to tell. I'm looking at it.
It was probably like maybe just legal, eh?
Yeah, right. I was thinking, fuck, that thing could be anywhere from 40 to 70 or something. Yeah, I wouldn't have a clue.
I possibly cleaned up this pig cup the other day. I'm just waiting to find a big bunch of mangoes I can drop in it.
Yeah.
I don't go back to work till fucking next Monday. 3 weeks off.
Fuck.
Yeah, I was gonna fucking get a heap of bait, fill it up, and just wire the door open so I could just get them pigs
just
coming in.
Free feed them.
Coming in, fucking just get them used to it, and then just set it and just be like, boom, fucking.
Yeah, that's the way to do it, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Set it and put half your, if they are coming in flood out, put like heap your bait out there and just a few behind the door to set it up.
Yeah, alright.
So they start eating that first and they all sort of keep moving in, and then one just wanders over, starts eating that bit and sets it off. If you put it all there, the first one wanders in, goes straight there, sets it off.
And you might have a few still out here sitting around and that, eh?
Yeah, there's sort of a bit like one or two going in, fuck around.
Yep. That's a good point. Or we'll jump through here because it's probably a bit easier than that, hammer.
Maybe the sense that just old enough it got rained on, or or you chuck 3360s cruising around here or something. Definitely something going on. Yeah. Fuck, them Aussies aren't bad, they just stop moving.
Yeah.
Boyd's Forest Dragon.
Can you bend that tree over?
Yeah. Up he goes.
Okay.
It's 70 pound I think, but I think you can wind it down, but you'll be able to.
Yeah, this one.
You'd be able to pull 70 anyway.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
fucking. I was using it when I was like fucking grade 8 or something.
Yeah, I think I was pulling a 60-pound one back. I don't know what about that.
Yeah. Surprised to know you get one not that big and they still like go straight through a pig, no dramas.
Hey?
Oh, surprising, like, oh, bow, mind you, mine was 70 pound, but like, I mean, 90% of the time I shot a pig, went straight through it.
Yeah, it's took a punch to it, eh?
That's what I mean, man. She's like starting to crack, eh? Like something's fucking going on. It's not consistent yet, but every now and then she fucking goes good. They're going, eh?
Yeah, they're going up that hill there, all three of them, man.
Not a bad spot to hit a pig. With us being down here, it should come down. Pretty much, they never outrun a dog going up a hill, so. Oh, that's a pig. Maybe. Yep. Yep, that's a pig. Is that going? It is, eh?
Yep. Smashing through.
There you go. Oh, Minty, eh? They're good bailers, man. They push pigs up quick, eh? Yeah. I tell people, and you're like, oh yeah, until you see it. That's a good pig. That's a cracker. Wait up, it might. Where is he?
They'll hold it, eh?
Yeah, just watch, because it'll run down, or it does run. Yeah, righto. There you go, just put the, you can set it up over without my hand. I won't get too close because I can't run away, see? Just press, yeah. And then turn it sideways for the video, if you don't mind.
Oh, that's a good hog.
Can we get around a little bit? He's on to us, bros. Can you see him? I can't see them dogs, eh?
Wait, now. Wait. Oh, no, wait, them dogs went to the back of it, so. Yeah, no, they were. Fuck, man, sticky situation, eh?
Yeah, I don't really want to go out there because he's going to hit me if I go out there. I reckon you see the way he looks at us when we go that way?
Yeah. You want to be behind a good tree, eh?
Yeah.
What have you got?
Can you see good? Can you see good?
Yeah, I can see good up there, but it's hard to see them fucking dark dogs, eh?
Yeah.
Dark dogs, eh?
Come down here. We'll go round. We'll get on top of him.
That's the go, bud. Good hunting, lad. Did you step to the left? Yeah. That's the go, bud. Good hunting, lad. Very good hunting.
I'm a bit more patient than what I used to be.
Hey, you're a bit more wiser too.
Holy, what the?
Holy. What did you... One of them dogs must have done that, eh?
Must have been shot. It's fresh, it's bleeding, man.
Yeah, look at that, man. That's his fucking bed, 100%.
Yeah, he's been up there sitting nice and dry, eh, in this wet.
That's why they're having so much trouble. They were coming down. He was just lying in there, man. That's a good find, actually. If he's been lying in there.
Was fucking one cracked on that.
Minty, that Catahoula, man.
Deadly
I told
dog.
you she's got a good nose, eh? It's a cracker nose. She just doesn't 100% know how to use it yet.
That's fucking good shit, man.
It's fun, eh, Balaam?
Oh man, I fucking just love it.
It gets you. You see when we were down there and we're gonna go like to the right or our right down there.
Yeah.
You see the way he was looking at us?
Yeah, the dog. Yeah.
Oh, looking at like he turned and was looking at us. That's exactly the same look as that one that did this did, eh? Exactly the same look, man.
Like, oh, we gotta go.
I was like, nah.
And we'll just stand him
I was like, oh.
there,
I don't have too much doubt I'd shoot him if he charged me, but
yeah.
like,
With a dog
fuck knows what's, that'd be right on his ass, like.
Fuck, bro, that's fucking good.
They hold a good bail, eh?
Yeah, man, absolutely.
Yeah, straight up, just bang, got it.
Skip through a bit. Oh,
Right up.
I might want to skip through a bit there.
Just scar after scar after scar after scar. Probably because he's white, you see him better too, eh?
Yeah, that's it.
But fuck me.
Good pig we just got here. Young Minty, Minty, the Catahoula anyway. Pretty much her first decent boar that she's just found on her own, I'd say. She's just sort of started to click, and you just see it in her attitude at home and that. She's starting to, I don't know, you just know when you've got your own dog. It's you see something change in them and you know they're starting to click, and you think, shit, we've got to get some pigs into these dogs. And yeah, headed in young Oscar who's here filming, and bloody, yeah, walked this mountain from open country. Cane paddock's about 1 kilometre over there, and we're just on our way down, and the dogs took off towards the creek a couple of times, and young Minty, who's really got a win nose on her, she's sort of, well, after a few runs down there, she's just picked it up on her own, just took off, and yeah, she was across the creek and gone by the time the other dogs flew on. Other dogs came down, and by the time they got to the creek down there, she'd already let out a bark, and the old Boar was in this bloody cave just here. It's a fair old little den in there, and yeah, he's got another little den down here. Laid up. You can see under here. Fair old bone dry. We've just had floods and everything going on. Literally halfway through a flood now, and yeah, it's bone dry in there. Bloody. So yeah, he's got a little set of hooks on him, and something real weird going on with his guts. But I've got a bit of footage of that. I'll cut it in or whatever for you. But looks like I'm not 100% sure, eh? Like it almost looks like a bullet wound or something, but there's no, just where it is, it should have gone through sort of his flaps of skin just in front of his leg, and there's no marks or anything. So it's got me kind of buggered what's going on there. Yeah, a fair portion of his inside's not looking the best, and looks like unless it's a massive tumour, about to pop, and the dogs have grabbed it thing and ripped it pretty much by the looks of it, so it's pulled him up just towards his back end. And yeah, other than that, nearly pure white. First boar back since I've done my leg, first decent pig. Got to see out the other day, but yeah, and I'm not sure if I said, but yeah, decent set of hooks. He'd be, I don't know, he's a good pig anyway. Big enough. He'd be big enough. So yeah, happy days, eh, Oscar?
Good stuff. Very good.
What do you reckon, Oscar?
Stoked, lad. Yeah, been a long time coming. Yeah, gone for this walk a fair few times, trying to crack onto a good pig, and yeah, dog's on the way back. Got on the scent, and straight up the hill, warmed a few barks, and sure enough, good little boar there on the top, and fucking Bo made short effort with it with the gun, and yeah, got him now. Yeah, good.
Laughing. Good solid boar.